So I resolve it. Who are you to resolve? Honorable Muntaka, in what capacity? Interior Minister, that you work for Ghanaians.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notification so that anytime we upload videos, you will be notified. Charlie, me, I dey back me pay politics mu pay beef. Nkrofo bebre de, nkrofo bebre amuni me de, amuni se me pay beef, but me de me pay beef pa. Se nkrofo mienu kwa, e politics mu a, me de. Because you can be down, you can sit down and make your analysis. Say there be we are punching we punching say. Now tai chi hono now usresre. Enti se me te beef asem de, me de. E politics mu. Kofo bi so wa entertainment, o mu te beef asem entertainment. Si shata wale ni stone boy we na yo mu de. Me so politics. Beef. Enti ka say beef o beef. Journalist, welcome for your break. Akwabo Diabo Kodie. Nana Jantuah on Ishira FM. They say or blasty Muntaka serious cry. Enye easy. Na enye like same cause ye fire or fire na me say more fire. Sa na make more fire. Sa adenya Muntaka say more fire, sir. I don't know more fire. Muntaka. Ye interior minister. Ye Ghana for na ye di ye sika trial. Ye taxpayers money. Sky ye trials taxes. E muna ye yibi e di trial ka. We V8 no be bia o use bia no. Ye di na ye di trial ka. Enye China for. Nye Burkina Faso Fosika, nye Ivorian Fosika, nye Togo Fosika. Na se China for buy your mind. Na umbe say yensio say asasia. Wu Muntaka. Who say what nasi? E decide say you just deport them. Say you just deport them. They say, obit me from mindful from Oba Ghana, no be ye ni ope. Or ye ni ope we are or say ye mind moi. Na on de no call ni mind no call Chile. And I just say me catch you say, who are you? Or say we wine. Or say we Muntaka no. We wine or make that decision. Na me amiti he. Make me go Togo. I can sell Munsio. Now mama go scot free. You see, sometimes politicians I say, I share a milk assembia, maybe a mark or a bonitia minian compo. Say me chia papa, Zedie, 120 per tree. But no, on a serious note, we were all in this country. I shall one case we buy, and our suffer my for Becca say, a government was not interested in prosecuting I shall one what they want to do is to deport her to her country.
Yeah, now we are Juman May. Unkwa se matna se decide say China for no ye nyo mo hye ye cheope ye do be ko krum. Nyansa nim. It doesn't make sense. Nyansa ni sa de na wo kan ye ni mu. Me to se bi. Mama ye bre wo Ghana dodo. Anytime bia na wo se kasa. Anytime bia na wasi e kasa anabuku yimano kofi buan so lands and natural resources minister and when we came the drone I have not seen the drone myself. Drone na aban dada ne ka se wotoye no uye minister obie wa no a me kra me ba ye no mi hu drone no asemud chese mumienu Honorable Fibua, any Muntaka. The way I must see fight Galamsey, no, me suspect him because I say a groby mood did ya agene. Shay on your maybe or kanya, yan fancho. Waba minister, drona, MPP for so matter. Now what bana who ya, no about the catching Tianya day. obeka che say who drone no yenya ne den honorable Emmanuel Kofi Boa obeka che say drone na MPP for so matter we ye sector minister enti who ye menya ne den menya ne den menya ne den o ka che me say me ne yema yensema say waka say na mde asa munya tumi pe na mo adwen asai munya tumi pe na akonya no minim de wa say ya yetwa moja gusu the moment amubenya position pe mo nhyɛ nka de bia Ghana
so that the laws of a country will deal with it. And this is for so much tibida. De dia mu ye wo krom ha na nya easy. Omu ye de sa say na Akufo-Addo eye galamse MPP for no mu ye galamse usafo mafu no ye galamse uko chebi Akufo-Addo ni dan echi honum no eye galamse wo. To the extent say journalists have to go to Chebi to go and confirm say no cresa Akufo-Addo backyard no eye galamse wo ho ana. Omu call yen so no obi anye galamse bia wo. But that was the kind of propaganda I crop for more in this mu. That was the kind of propaganda they ran. And people trusted it. A lot of people trusted it. Even to the extent say elections in Mukrano, people based on that to vote against MPP. Na maba ban mu no. Mo amusiba be ye ni ye no. Isa sembe na muka jere no. Toli beno no. Na asema mukano ebe den na foreigners. How would they be scared of coming to Ghana to come and misbehave? You are giving them a free pass to come into Ghana and come and misbehave. And mana. That's what you are doing. You are telling them, say, oh, Ghana, no, laws do not work. Order does not reign in Ghana. So if you want to misbehave, a place where you can misbehave and go scot-free, hey, Ghana. That is what you are telling them. That is the message you are putting across. And it is sad. Very, very sad. So, we have voted for these kind of people to come and rule us, to come and govern us. And it's very sad to say, for the next almost 4 years of our lives, we have condemned ourselves to this fate. Now, such journalists, we na Jantuah winning na mukaumbi. Muna mu ye campaign muna mu hye mu ke na ye campaign ma NDC enti na NDC e ba ban mu na Jantuah na unim say galamse ekoso no enye MPP for na mu ye say na unim you knew but you created a narrative as though Akufo-Addo na ye galamse no ene no ya Akufo-Addo na ye galamse no. Today we are all seeing our smoothness level. Obia beka nukre. Everybody, mo amu yes agenda, mo am ko gis kanyina, am be campaign editia MPP. Ebra mu nim say all the things MPP was doing was just to do this nation and make this nation better. Mo amu nyina mo hye mu kinano, nyame ne betua mu kanyina baku. Mo ana mudi mo no abeka biom. Say mo anyi ni ye. Mo nyina mabeka, be confess. You will confess. Because we have been so wicked as a people to this nation. So wicked. I dare you red, make I say you black as journalists. I dare you green, say you there be a dark blue. You've done this over and over. And we'll be quiet because now you are buying. And so say, oh, you are fighting against freedom of journalists. You are doing that. You are fighting and you are doing this. And then we are beginning to see all of you your true colors. Your own mouth is now confessing the truth that Akufo-Addo was not the wicked man you people painted him to look like. And then this has been the political round with me, the voice right here on Ghana TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.